So building fast cars, building everything as badass as we do is one battle. The next thing is, once you take it home, you've always got those guys that are just opportunists.
Get out of the car, bitch! I'll blow your brains out! You gotta be shitting me. I will shoot you!
Trying to steal things that you've worked so hard for. So, aside from a lot of these developments for building these cars, making them go faster, we've been fervently working on ways to prevent them from being stolen. So we have several ways, several things that you can now get exclusively at Baily's. Obviously the video is not going to go into details, because what good would it be if we just air out our anti-theft things that we're doing on all the cars, and it would be counterproductive. But we do have anti-theft packages that we're putting together, ways to stop people from cloning keys, ways to stop people from putting the car in neutral, getting it out of the driveway. We've developed several things. We're working on developing like an RFID chip, to where only you will be able to scan the car to be able to access it on top of the key. So we have a lot of different things in play, and a lot of added security. Now, of course, nothing is ever going to be 100% steel proof, but this is just an extra added barriers in place to make them work a little bit harder, and maybe go on to the next car and not yours, because they don't have the time to figure it out. So we do have a lot that we are excited to release, and if you want your vehicle to be anti-theft, and we are working on it, doing one of our packages on it, give us a call. We can get all that sorted out for you. We can get it taken care of. Parts and products are starting to arrive for those to be readily available through here at Baily. So reach out to us if you want that extra added security outside of an alarm, GPS, anything like that. We'll be able to help you out. So yeah, reach out to us. Baily's High Performance.